Hello everyone, welcome to Tri-vima Studio. In this video, I'm presenting my new add-on which I made for my own convenience where I was facing many time-consuming tasks. So the add-on I am presenting, that is, you can see rename names ease. So here it is. We will go to edit, preferences, and here is rename names ease. So it will help me to rename all my objects in my scene. As I will select multiple objects, it will rename it properly. So let's switch on this add-on. What it does, it advanced batch renaming of objects with find and replace facility, case sensitivity, change case, prefix, suffix, and more. Then let's see how it works. So just see preferences and close it. So press N and let's see here it is. So what I want to do, always I do a work process in a way that lot of multiple objects which I want to categorize by renaming it. So this will help me. So let's say I'm selecting this ecospheres and I'll say press M, click, I'll say ecospheres, or I can say some other name inside. So this is the collection of ecosphere. Okay, see here, I got it. Then there are lots of Susan. So let's select them and press M, Susan. Okay, that too. And then cubes, I guess, yes, cubes, right? And last cylinders. So rename it here. Okay. So what happened now? I want to change the internal objects inside these collections. I want to change some, I want to give some other name. So let's select cubes, select objects, and what I'll do, let's give a name box. The new name will be box, and I want a prefix that is uh, TS for Tri-vima Studio, and in suffix after that it will add a number that is 3-digit number. I can change to 2-digit number. Where from it will start? It will start from 1. And if any punctuation I can add. So let's apply batch rename. Here it is. TS underscore box underscore 01. Separator always will be used between instead of space bar. So this way I can rename. Let's rename few more. Let's select manually. I'll give it let's give name gems ts and rename. It's done. What if I want to say I want to start name a number by 5 or 6? Let's rename again. It will give you that continuity. So this is the best one, I guess. Let's try one more. Susan, give name monkey, and let's start. That's it. Got it. It's last not the least here. Sorry, cylinder. Let's name it again properly. Cylinder and rename it. So we got it here. So this way we can create, we can name it. What if I want to change the names of these? It won't work on collections. It will only work on objects of any type of objects like shapes or curves or your mesh objects, anything, even on camera or something. Let's create one camera. Let's create few more. Okay, mistakenly the cameras are here, so let's change the name cameras. Yeah, so let's rename it. What I want, cam, and rename, so it will work correctly. So here it is, rename names ease. It will give you good ease by renaming. It is a Yes, of course, it is a batch renamer, but it's much easier than the actual batch rename we have in Blender. So do get it now and integrate with your own workflow of 3D scenes and enjoy. Thank you.